Daddy,
and
Kittens!
did you make your shopping?
Yes.
So what vegetables do you have? Oh, we have the carrots, we have sweet corn, broccoli, potatoes, eggplant. Well done! Hello everyone! Today we'll make a keyring. To make a keyring we need felt fabric, ring for the keys, 2 eyes, black pen, hole puncher, scissors. These scissors are safety, so you don't need parents around. Pliers, thread with needle, and chain. Let's start! To fill in our carrot, we can use wool stuffing. Game! How many cabbages are here?
Here are 4 cabbages.
How many carrots are here?
Here are 5 carrots.
How many potatoes are here?
Here are 6 potatoes.
How many bell peppers are here?
Here are 3 bell peppers.
How many cucumbers are here?
Here are 4 cucumbers.
How many broccoli are here?
Here are 2 broccoli.
How many mushrooms are here?
Here is 1 mushroom.
How many tomatoes are here?
Here are 7 tomatoes.
How many green beans are here?
Here are 2 green beans.
How many eggplants are here?
Here are 3 eggplants.
How many onions are here?
Here are 6 onions.
Well done! Where are my keys?
Baby Mama. Sponsored by IQ English.